That's it, let the car run out. And then in. Hold your speed. Go. Good. Brake. Downshift. In. Okay, go. Lovely. Brake in a straight line. Yeah, that's okay. Go. Out wide a bit. In a bit in. Okay, in. Go. Nice. Downshift. Late turn in. Downshift again. That's it. Nice. Tight. Okay, go. Lovely. Nice. Go. Lovely. It's a good lap so far. Okay, keep it tight. Patient. Go. Early turn in. Gentle brake. Off the brake. Let it run out. Go on. Maintain this speed. Come back in. That's too wide, but that's okay. That was too wide that time.
Okay.
It's okay though. Keep it going. Downshift. Lovely. Okay, go. Okay. Still a good lap. Let it go out. Back in. Hold your speed. Wait. Go. Nice. 141.
Nice.
Awesome.